With us all using Schoology far more right now, let's take a look at how to tame your notifications. So there are two ways that you can do this. You can do it by course or across the board. Let's delve into the courses one first. First, choose the course that you want to look into to edit your notifications. And you'll notice in the top right-hand corner, there is a little envelope and notifications. When you click on that, you can actually choose what it is that you want to be notified about. This is through email, course updates, course comments on updates, comments on your posts, course content created, or course materials overdue. You can check or uncheck any one that you want. You can do this in every course that you have and select how you want to be notified. If you want to do a general notification change, click on the down arrow here, click on Settings, and click on Notifications. When you do that, you are taken to a page that allows you to edit all of your notifications, whether they're coming from courses, groups, or if you happen to be a part of any public groups or things from the school. On this right-hand side here, you will notice that you can send notifications to your phone via text message. This is how you edit it on your device, your laptop. Next, we'll take a look at how to edit this notifications on an iOS device. So your primary way of accessing Schoology is through your iOS device. Let's take a look at how to change that. If you click on Schoology app, the three bars, go down to Account Settings on the left, it will take you to a similar menu that you find inside of the web app. You can customize what apps are receiving push notifications and how you want to set up your updates. Notice here that it will do email. If you want to change your iOS settings about notifications, you click on Settings, you go down to Notifications, and then you scroll all the way down until you find Schoology. When you find the Schoology app, you can choose if you want it to allow notifications, how you want them to appear, and if you want them to count in the badges. If you turn the badges off, you will notice that now I don't have that number. When I click on Schoology, all of those notifications are still there, but I have to open up the app to see them. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.